Boy, do I have a mess to clean up. I actually finally got the rug under here. Took that old nasty gray rug out and put this one in. It wasn't easy. I had to, of course, I had to have help. The next door neighbor guy, construction guy, was working, and I did as much as I could. Manny was not around, so, and I'm impatient. So all I needed was him to come in and just lift the bottom of this bed. It's an adjustable bed. I didn't have to take the mattress off. I just took the side panels off, all these off, raised the bed up, the head part and the foot part up. I'm going to take everything off and wash everything and change my bedding. Anyway, I'm cleaning up now. And I like this rug. I have more rug on this side than over on that side. I don't care. The main thing I got, actually I need to move the bed over anyway. But, yeah, I don't care. It's up here. It's here. I've been wanting this for so long time. And, yep. Whew. Let's see if that's even. Make sure it's even under the picture. Yeah. That's it. And it looks much better because it has the gold like the bed color. But as you can see, my house is a mess. Walk in here into my living room. Mess. Tools everywhere because I'm still trying to finish up my doors, which is not going to happen today. That's the rug that used to be here in the living room a long time ago. Then it went under my bed for the last couple, 2 or 3 years. And now, here it is. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's not that bad, but I'm thinking about, I don't know. Because it's a shag rug, I might donate it. I can't think of anything I can use it for, or even in my garage, because it's going to be dust. If I put it on the patio, it's going to be dust. So I'm just going to put it in my car and take it to the Goodwill. And they can figure out what they want to do with it. Alright. Let's enter back in here. Here's the thing about this bed. My back is going to kill me tomorrow. It's starting already. I took this whole thing apart. Then rolled the rug. I got it under the best that I can. Then got help to lift this heavy adjustable frame up so I can roll the rug out. It's starting already. Hopefully tomorrow I can move. Because I do dumb stuff like that. I find it easier to make up this bed by lifting one area of the bed at a time. So what I do, I raise the footboard up, put the sheet on, and the top sheet as well, bottom sheet and top sheet, and then I lower the bed. Then I raise the head part up, and then finish the rest. As you'll see what I'm doing here. You know, I have one of those gimbal things. I never used it. I need to use it so it could follow me around the room. You better believe, soon as I'm done with this, I'm going straight to the shower and get into bed. Because tomorrow, I have to go out. I couldn't do it today because it was economic blackout day, so I didn't do any going to the store shopping and none of that stuff. So this is where I sit down. I'm trying to tuck this into here, and it's no fun. When they made this, they should have rounded the corners because this could poke a hole in your stuff. Yep, Guess I picked the wrong one. Got it from Amazon. Going through all of this only to climb right back into this bed after I get in the shower. This house is a mess. I got a lot of work to do, but like I said, after this, bed rest. Terrible videographer, you all. Already vacuumed around the bed, all around the headboard and footboard when I put it back together. So that part's done. I just need to dust now. Put this thing back up here where it belongs. I swear dust builds up so much, and then I got these big mirrors, and then of course a sliding glass door. And it just, everything gets so dusty so quickly. Dust today and be dusty again tomorrow. I gotta whip up some of Kim at Home's concoction. Clean this glass. I still have a bunch of tools out in here because I'm working on these doors. So I need to consolidate them all in one area. They're all over the place. I left this in my paint and supplies there because this door is done, but I have other doors to do, so I'm leaving it here for now. All this is done. This is straightened up for now. The bed is done. I'm just happy that I finally got this rug in here. It wasn't easy, but thanks to my neighbor and his friend who came over here and lived. And excuse my mess here, because this is next. Look at this. Look at my poor office. Don't judge, it's a hot mess. I gotta work on that next. Girl. Whew. Child. All that stuff up there. Okay. Making a little progress. Back here. My little storage room. I had this down for a while. I took it down because Manny said he was going to get on it. He still hasn't done it, so push it back up. Try to straighten it up in here. A lot of this stuff is going to go into the garage once I clean that garage out. But this stuff here, well, this is my stuff for tomorrow. Never mind my clothes. This is a vase I've had a long time. I need to put it out on the patio. It used to, actually, you know, I had a giant candle in here once upon a time. And of course, my mid-century pot stand, which I had my plant in it, but I have to do something with these. Put them somewhere. I don't like it here. But for the time being, that's where it's going to be. And of course, my mess over here, which I'm working on. Alright, this is it for now. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notification bell so you know when I upload more video. And I am getting ready to jump in the shower. Even though I just made my bed up, I'm getting ready to climb in it. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.